Hey communication literacy team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In today's class, we're going to focus on the communication literacy exam, the MTEL 01, and specifically the writing exam. I want you to use this video to help you on that exam. And if you like this stuff, give the video a big thumbs up at the end and maybe check out a class sometime, okay? All right, let's get into it. Let's do our first set of problems from the communication literacy writing exam. Let's take a look. Is anyone taking this test and they're doing it at home? Who's taking the test and doing it at home versus taking the test and doing it at a test site? Or else write down in person. Type in test site or home. Which one are you doing? Get a look at the comments there. So Lily, I saw Lily's taking it from home. Lily, if you're taking it from home, they only give you 3 hours to do this thing. And the test site, you have 4 hours. You understand? All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up. Check out a GOHacademy workshop. Maybe you'll find it helpful. Everyone, have a wonderful day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.